How to get clean data for sports betting predictive models. Imagine trying to build a sports betting model with data that's messy, inconsistent, or full of errors. It's like trying to complete a puzzle with missing and broken pieces. That's why getting clean data is the first step to making accurate predictions. To start, you need to gather data from trustworthy sources. Official sports databases, reputable sportsbooks, and historical match records are your best options. These sources provide the most reliable and relevant information for your model. Once you have your raw data, the next step is cleaning it up. Raw data often contains irrelevant information like web page links, duplicate entries, or metadata that doesn't help your analysis. Remove these unnecessary fields so your dataset is focused. Handling missing data is crucial. If you find gaps, decide whether to fill them in or remove those records. For example, if a player's weight class is missing, look it up from other sources or discard that record if it's incomplete. Standardizing formats is also important. Convert dates into a consistent format, like year-month day, and encode categorical variables such as team names or player positions into numbers or labels your model can understand. This helps prevent confusion during analysis. Feature engineering is a key part of cleaning. Create new variables that reveal useful information, like a player's strike accuracy percentage. This is calculated by dividing total strikes landed by total strikes attempted. These new features give your model more meaningful data to learn from. Outliers and noise can distort your predictions. Remove extreme values, like bets with very high odds that are unlikely to happen, as they can skew your results. Also, check for duplicate records and ensure consistency across datasets. For example, make sure team names are spelled the same way everywhere. Using regular expressions and pattern matching helps clean text fields. For instance, standardize gender labels or categorize weight classes properly. When your data is clean, you can use it to calculate fair odds by averaging lines across different sportsbooks. This helps identify value bets where the expected value is higher. Incorporate these cleaned and engineered features into machine learning models to predict game winners or point spreads. Properly cleaned data reduces the risk of making poor bets based on false signals. It also prepares your dataset for advanced modeling techniques, like multi-output models that predict multiple aspects of a game at once. To sum up, getting clean data for sports betting models involves removing irrelevant info, fixing missing or inconsistent data, standardizing formats, creating meaningful features, and filtering out noise. This solid foundation makes your predictive analytics more reliable and helps you make smarter betting decisions.